y'all, Lauren Dolgaro here. Hey, I just wanted to come on real quick and talk a little chit-chat, little snippet about a little piece of advice that I hear so much. I see it all over the internet, but you want to know the truth? It really doesn't have a whole lot of impact on your lifestyle, your fundability, or the direction that your profile is going. Here it is, secured credit cards. It's always here all the time. Oh, get a secure credit card if you want to start rebuilding your credit. Okay, well let's break it down. Also, I love me a thunderstorm. Nice. So let's break it down. You get a $300 to a $500, maybe $1,000. Let's call it $1,000 secured credit card. If you're using the utilization principles at 6 to 11%, that means, are you ready? You can use $60 to $111 a month. Impact. We can't check that box, right? Because there's not a whole lot of impact that $60 to $100 is going to have in your life every month. That doesn't do anything for you. You need to focus on funding your profile, your fundability factor, your fundability formula with things that make a difference. You want to be a part of big accounts, those $40, $50, $60, $70,000 accounts. You want to get the right funding so you can get the right terms at the best rates. So make sure that you like and subscribe to Total Solution Trust. Me, the Solutionist, because you don't want to miss out on all of the information we're going to be bringing forth about credit and how you can really experience all of the benefits of Rockstar credit. That's where you need to be. Until then, make sure that you like and subscribe. I'm Lauren Dolgaro, aka the Solutionist. I help people to restore and to remaster their credit profiles so they can make the big ticket purchases their family needs to grow and to create new streams of income. That's where it is, kids. That's where it is. So I'll talk to you soon. Make sure that you DM, comment, like, subscribe, or email. Talk to you soon.